Lara Georges. My role is a design engineer and I work with Downer. As Downer is a contractor, we definitely get a variety of projects and a lot of work to get involved with all across the country. And because Downer is involved in a wide array of industries, it is a one-stop shop. So it is really awesome to see all these levels of expertise being brought together. So I started off with Downer as a summer intern while I was completing my engineering studies. Once I graduated, I enrolled with Downer's graduate program, and now I am a permanent employee as a design engineer. So as a design engineer, I'm involved with designing and pricing projects, as well as the flip side, so that is actually going out on site and delivering projects. So this is a really awesome role as I get to see projects in their entirety. So Downer's graduate program is awesome in the way that it is rotation based. So you get to rotate around different parts of the business, gaining a lot of exposure and experience into all the types of work that you can do. So my final rotation was actually in this team that I am employed by right now. So it was a really seamless transition. And even though I'm no longer a graduate, I'm supported by Downer's Young Professionals group. And Downer are also great. They are partnered with Engineering New Zealand and they really support us in becoming chartered engineers. So that's also really great by Downer. Thinking back to when I was in high school or perhaps university, I suppose I had this very narrow-minded approach to getting a degree or a qualification, and the fact that you get a certain type of degree and you follow this very narrow path. But I challenge that. I would say to expect the unexpected. And there are so many opportunities out there and a lot of cool projects to get involved with. I feel like some people have a misconception that females are not welcomed in contracting, or I suppose in the construction industry. That is entirely not true. There's such a big space for women in our industry. We do a pretty good job, and Downer actually has a group called Wahine Kotahitanga, which is a group that I am involved with, where we support and empower young female site-based engineers in supporting them in their journey through Downer, as well as getting them involved with workshops, networking events, and all these sort of things to foster a community. So there definitely is a space for females in our industry. I think it is really important to be open-minded and be open to all opportunities that may come. So when Downer first offered me the internship role, it was for a small rural town in New Zealand. I was born and raised in big Auckland, so it was definitely a bit challenging for me to take on the role, but I put that aside and accepted the role. And I think it's really important to go out of your comfort zone and take opportunities like that to not only grow professionally, but personally as well. And in my last few years of Downer, I've worked in so many towns and cities across the country. So I've definitely learned a lot and built so many connections as a result.